Chloe? Chloe! Give this to Chloe. 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 Chloe! Advent calendar time. We have to do days 7 and 8. Let's get her done. Whoa, whoa, whoa there. Day 7, Santa loves a treat. Revel in the warm embrace of the ritual of oud foaming shower gel with oud and patchouli for a silky smooth and fragrant skin. I love oud. Ooh, sexy packaging. The ritual of oud. Okay, let me smell her. Oh my goodness, it's deep, it's heavy, it's intense. I hope they make a fragrance to this because I need it. So that's day 7. Day 8. Do you spot number 8, Chloe? Here we go, number 8. A merry morning. Get the perfect locks with the ritual of Sakura shampoo and conditioner. Love. Let's see what this smells like. I can already smell it through the container. I will use this. Not sure how it's going to work for my hair, but so far everything I've tried from Rituals has been amazing. So I'm going to link this product and the shower foaming gel down below. I love this scent also. It's so beautiful. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I've worked out, I've had my coffee, I've done all the necessary things to get my day going, but I wanted to share something with you guys. I think way earlier this year, I worked with this wonderful brand Merit, which is a sustainable luxury minimalist beauty brand, which is so far outside of my comfort zone. One, because nothing really about me is minimalistic, but I love the message behind this brand. And I think it's so interesting that being someone like myself who has imperfect skin, as we all can see, I still enjoy these products and I have used them for months. I will be doing a 5-minute face challenge. Thank you so much to Merit for sponsoring this portion of the video. When they contacted me, I was a little hesitant about doing another collaboration because I have imperfect skin and you guys know that I love full coverage makeup, but there's a time and a place for full coverage, and you all know that I don't really wear full coverage every day. I like to be barefaced, and I thought that me bringing my message about this brand and what I feel about my skin and luxury minimalistic beauty where my skin is showing through was very important. So I want to talk about that first before we get into this challenge. There was a Vlogmas many years ago where I felt self-conscious about my skin. The reason being, I am someone who's very confident, but being on the World Wide Web, people will tear you down for anything. And I remember purchasing a foundation specifically for Vlogmas so that I had perfected skin day to day. And after that, I vowed to never do that again. If people don't want to look at my imperfections, they can click that X. But I love this brand because it's all about natural beauty. It's all about minimalistic and luxurious beauty. And the fact that they even wanted to work with me, being someone who doesn't have perfect skin and who could really benefit from a full coverage look, I just think it was so important. So I wanted to share that little message with you guys today. Confidence is everything. Even if certain people may judge you for your skin or feel some type of way, do what works for you. And for me, it works best for me to be barefaced day to day. And then when I want to turn it up a little bit and be full coverage, I can do so. So I want to share the goodies that I got from Merit this time. The first thing that I got is this shade Slick. And I love this. I have actually used this up. I believe the shade that I got last time was called Marrakech, but this time I picked Pink Beet, and it is such a beautiful color. It's an oil for your lips. It's very hydrating. It gives you just the nicest wash of color. If you love a minimalist beauty look, you are going to love this product and this brand overall. The next product I got is the Brow 1980, and this is a volumizing brow pomade. Like you guys can see, not only do I not have perfected skin, I don't have a lot of eyebrows. You can use products in a variety of ways. You don't have to be the standard fit for these lines. So that's why I really like this line. And how luxurious is all the packaging? Like, this is just fabulous. I love it. The next product that I got is the Clean Lash, and this is their mascara. A really nice mascara. It lengthens and it provides a little bit of volume. This is a great product as well. All these products are vegan and cruelty free, which is also important for me. And the last product that I got got is their shade stick, and this is their foundation, and I have it in the shade Amber. Now Amber was more of my summer shade, so I'm interested to see how it's gonna work now because I am a bit pale. But I'm going to start a timer. Let's see if I can do a flawless face in 5 minutes. I don't know how that's gonna work. Do you guys think I can do it? I'm a little worried. Let's see. Let me open them before this 5 minutes starts. Okay, I'm setting my timer for 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Ah, okay. Oh, I'm so worried, you guys. I don't have brows. Okay, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. So it's not depositing too much color because there's not much to grip. But maybe I could like put it on my actual skin. I'm gonna make it work. I've never had eyebrows, you guys. Okay, it's actually giving me some color. I have to put it on my skin though. Okay, one eyebrow done. How's my time? 4 minutes left. Oh my gosh, I've used 1 full minute. Gotta go more quickly. I'm not gonna do any editing, so you guys are gonna see in real time. Yeah, I definitely feel like the brow, I'm looking a little crazy. I feel like the brow pomade is better if you actually have eyebrows. And since I don't, I'm kind of just looking unfinished. Okay, let's move along. Okay, foundation, which is the most important part. Now, I want to do a minimalist look because that's what the brand is all about. So I'm just gonna put a little foundation on my skin just to give me some coverage. Now it is a little orange. It's not the perfect shade match for me right now, but we're gonna make it work. I'm using my sponge. Okay, she's giving me coverage. This will be cute for like running to Publix. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have 2 minutes left. Well, you know what? I can relax. I don't have to do blush or concealer. Okay. Okay, I have a little bit of coverage. We're getting there. I'm hurting myself because I'm so nervous. I'm gonna run out of time. Okay, now let's go back and add some more coverage. This is definitely a light coverage foundation. It's also very emollient, so this would be perfect for those with dry skin. I typically have oily skin, so this is like a preferred formula for the winter for me. Okay. Oh my gosh, 1 minute and 42 seconds. Okay, I gotta stop talking. Let me focus. I don't even have time to sing and dance. This is the pressure, my goodness. This is a nice light beat though. Like if I were going on vacation and I just wanted something to wear around the resort, this would be cute. Okay, I think this is like a good, nice light beat. I'm not gonna use any powder because I'm only gonna use Merit products. I'm gonna do some mascara. Oh my gosh, I have a minute. Okay, let me not talk. I can't stop talking to y'all. Y'all stop talking to me. I think I'm just gonna do, ooh, I don't remember this mascara being this nice. Oh, look at the length. Okay, I'm only gonna do top lash mascara. Oh my gosh, 47 seconds. Okay. Y'all, I don't have long lashes either. No lashes, no eyebrows. What is happening? Okay, last product is the lip oil. I'm excited to see what this, ooh, this is pretty. Oh, this is nice. Okay, 21 seconds. I can do that. This is pretty. Okay. We did it. With time to spare. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, so this is the finished look. Now, of course, I don't have full coverage, but for a foundation shade stick, this is really nice coverage, I think. I'm very luminous. So I would say this type of formula is great for those of you guys who like to look luminous and glowy. And I think that's what their brand is all about. It's definitely not about a mattified full coverage look. But like I said, there's a time and a place for full coverage. Just like how I don't wear makeup day to day, there's a time and a place to be luminous and glowing. So this foundation is really, really nice. I have pretty moderate coverage, I think. It is a little orange toned for me, but if I were to put on a powder, I think it could be toned down. Let's try that. I like the way this looks though. It's very everyday friendly. Yeah, the powder definitely tones it down. Running to the grocery store. I like this. This lip oil is beautiful. How did I do on my eyebrows? Now y'all know I don't have that much eyebrow, but I did what I could. The mascara is nice and light as well. So if you guys are looking for a minimalist, luxury, high quality, and cruelty-free clean beauty, definitely check out Merit. Thank you so much for sponsoring this portion of the video. This could be a cute Vlogmas look. Like, this is really natural, I think. Let me know what you guys think. I like it. Figured I'd wrap some Christmas gifts. Left the door open in case Miss Grace wants to come in. I'm hot, I need my water. There are 0 gifts under the tree, so I figured I need to do some wrapping because clearly nobody's buying gifts for me. That's clear. I'm just joking. So I picked up some wrapping accoutrements. I don't do anything super fancy. I'm not into decorating. I feel like when you're into decorating, you're into like fancy wrapping paper. That's totally not me. I also got this candle in the mail. If you guys saw one of my Vlogmas videos this year, my girl Coco McQueen put all of us on that candied pecan candle, and I have been obsessed. So I wanted to try another candle from that line. Here we go with the Raggedy Wicks. Not sure what's going on. This is Berry Mandarin. And this smells like pink sangria from Bath and Body Works. Wow. Hopefully it doesn't make me sneeze because some of their candles do. The one thing I will say is that the quality is kind of but it's a $3.50 candle. I don't expect much. I just want a nice scent. I'm gonna have to trim these wicks. They are just not doing it for me. First of all, update on this face. I am loving this minimalistic makeup look. Like, I'm a bit oily because I'm oily, and foundation sticks are usually pretty emollient, so they're not usually best for people with my skin type, but this looks pretty good. Like, this is a really nice everyday beat. Bath and Body Works, you've done, Bath and Body Works, see, a Freudian slip. Target, you've done your thing. I'm gonna buy another candle and see what the next one is like. Also, there's something I wanted to ask you guys. It was my girl Benita, BB Prep. She did a vlog a few days ago, or maybe a week ago, and she was asking, how do you guys feel about buying gift cards for people for Christmas or receiving gift cards? So I wanna know you guys' thoughts down below. I am not opposed to giving a gift card. I feel like, let's say you work in an office and you don't wanna spend too much money. Everybody loves, most people, a Target or a Starbucks gift card. Who couldn't use that? And what's good about that is you don't have to give people weird gifts that they wouldn't necessarily use. I know I'd appreciate that, which is why I did the coffee with me. So let me know how you guys feel about that. I love gift cards, specifically because when people give me money as a gift, it usually goes towards like everyday things. But a gift card is like, this is specifically for this one store that you may love, which hopefully you do, and you can go pick yourself out something really nice. Let me know your feelings and thoughts down below. I would love to hear how you guys feel, but a gift card is always a go for me. Today's featured viewer is Star Cooper. Thank you so much for always tuning in and being so sweet and supportive. I love that you love when I discuss fragrances. Have I ever thought of developing my own? Actually, not really, but that would be super cool. If you guys be interested in something like that, let me know down below. And don't forget to use hashtag Christmas with Keiko for a chance to be featured. Update on my foundation. Look how nice I still look. All these hours later, I mean, granted, I'm very shiny, but the foundation looks so good. I am experiencing some hormonal breakouts, but shout out to Mary Beauty. Ding! Chloe ate her food. She's doing so well. I'm surprised. So I love you guys for watching. Bye. Happy Vlogmas Day 9.